Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to make Samsung TV discoverable for screen mirroring. Let's go. Step 1. Open Settings. All settings. General. Network. Open network settings. Wireless. Select your network. Enter password. Your device and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are using an Android device, enable screen mirroring. Select your TV. Down. If you are using an Apple device, iMac, MacBook, iPhone, iPad, open Apple AirPlay settings. Turn on AirPlay. Your Apple device and your Samsung TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open screen mirroring. Select your Samsung TV. Enter AirPlay code. Done. That's it. Now you know how to make Samsung TV discoverable for screen mirroring. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.